And over here, you can see that I created this new spreadsheet. I called it Borrow and Build Tracker. Basically, every single month, there's about 21 days where the market is open. So since for the new year and it's December and starting now, just so I can start fresh. So I'm gonna start doing this forward in the new year. But for now, I'm gonna do it as of the new year. I'm gonna start doing this from now on. But I want to show you what's my plan moving forward. So I'm going to invest $160, right, every day, right, 5 days a week, and roughly 21 days out of the month. But let's say 5 days a week, right? And this is my daily investment. Now, net assets is like, this going to a stack. Let's say today, it's going to reinvest at $160, and tomorrow is gonna be 320, right? So on, so on, so on. So every 5 day, I'm going to invest five $800 in the stock market. Okay, now over here you got equity, right? Like you see, my first day, I'm not gonna use margin, zero margin. On my second day, I'm gonna use zero margin. Third day, fourth day, and the fifth day, I'm going to subtract my, let's say over here, I invest about $800 of stocks. This is not counting appreciation, just my money into the market, buying assets. And let's say this is $100. Then I'm gonna subtract whatever. I just put 100 here so you can have a point of view how it's going to work. So I subtract, let's say, whatever amount I invest during the week from the margin I'm going to use to pay bills. And equity is net assets minus liability, which is the borrowing. So let's say if I invest 300, 800, I subtract 500. Over here should be 300. I will have $300 left in equity because margin is a liability, right? So yeah, so I've been trying to. I'm gonna do this. So like every week. So this is like my first video. This is Monday. So hopefully when I upload this video to YouTube, then you're gonna see the results, right? So this is like my first day. So you're gonna see that every day I'm gonna take like 10, 30 seconds and and explain you along the way. And by Friday, God willing, by Friday, I'll have the final result, and I'm gonna record the final result on Friday, and then hopefully I will be able to upload that Friday, afternoon ish, ready to upload for YouTube. Okay, so that's my goal, and yeah, let's see. I'm right now. I'm gonna go and deposit $320 to my Robinhood portfolio margin account. Okay, everyone, see, I deposited $320. My portfolio went up, right? Went higher because I'm depositing more money into my account. And as you can see, actually it's $161 every day. But I'm gonna go 160. I'm gonna average it out. So because I deposited $320, my margin use went to 4,200. Let's say almost 4,200. I remember since I have Robinhood Gold, instead of owing, let's say, 4,300 or 4,200, the first 1,000 is interest free, right? So in reality, I'm paying interest on the 1,000, but it's like interest free because it doesn't matter if the market goes up and down. That doesn't really affect me because it's only $1,000. So in reality, I'm counting for $3,200 of margin that I'm using on Robinhood in a way, because the first 1,000 is interest free in a way because I have Robinhood Gold, etc. If that makes sense. Now you see, I have a pending order of $161. So over here, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna invest $50 into SPYM daily buy, and I automatically, right? It's just pending order. I have finally, I'm so happy. $100 of SCHG. Right here, see, I'm gonna be depositing about $18,000, $19,000 a year, roughly, if I keep doing this. And Apple, $1 per day. I know it went up, but sometimes it's buy low and sometimes it buys one time. And I'm gonna buy $10 per day of CLM. Okay, so that's why I have the $161 pending order, and roughly this is about $800 a week. So going back to the borrow and bill tracker, like by Friday, I'm going to kind of finish this setup, and you'll see the outcome. Okay, God willing. So okay, this is my first day, and I'll show you tomorrow. I'll show you. I'll record at least 30 seconds. What's gonna happen Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and this is gonna change. That's why I keep telling you people that do not follow me blindly. I'm a financial advisor. I'm just a person that is trying to invest its entire paycheck into the market instead of just giving it to my landlord or my mortgage to the bank or to my car insurance. Like, I want to maintain my money. I want to hold it. I want to tie it down. And remember that these things get appreciated over time. So eventually what's going to happen is that margin will be an option, hopefully one day. So this right here, this column right here highlighted, it will change, right? It will change. I don't know the outcome. I do not know how much money I have to. I kind of know about, like, since I have over $20,000 invested into in my portfolio, I can be more flexible with my margin that I'm going to use. So by Friday, God willing, I'm going to update you, and you'll see for yourself the outcome for this week.